So this is Mark, so we'll jump right to it. I just wanted to share my phone mount design for my new Rivian R1T. And there's also been some issues with how do we do a charged cable without it being ugly and a mess. So if you're still with me, I'm going to show you a little bit of what I did. So hi everybody, I wanted to share my solution for setting up a phone adapter here in the Rivian R1T. So what we can see here is we've got a 3D printed part and we have an Amazon purchase magnetic mount. All my cars have magnetic mounts. So we found this one that gets us up over the hump here very nicely. So here I have no phone case on this one just so we see it right, but this is the standard. Put a metal plate, put your phone case over it, and away you go. And you're all set up. You can set the height fairly high to avoid the steering wheel if that's what you want. Works out great. Okay, so the second issue is I personally hardly ever hook up a charger to my phone because my phone is good for the day, but when you take long trips, I always want to have a charger since Google Maps and things like that consume all the battery sources. So we've got our 12-volt adapter underneath here, and we bought a 1.5 foot USB-C to USB-C connector. I've got a small 3M clip, command strip clip down here to hold the wire where I want it, and you can see it's fairly well hidden and tucked away. So what we can do is I put a small piece of velcro behind the center screen display, put a small piece of velcro on here, and now we're all set and we can charge up whenever we want to, right? And that's it. When you're done, unplug it, hook the velcro behind the monitor, and it keeps the cable nice and tidy and out of the way. So here I'll just quickly share with you the parts that I used for charging the vehicle and how it installed. So here you see the 12-volt with the 90-degree USB-C, and here you can see how it wired and clipped in nice and clean. And then if you want to, I'm just showing these are the parts that I purchased on Amazon. As for the 3D printed part and the phone mount, let me know in the comments if there's any interest in this, and we'll see what we can do to pursue it further. Thanks for watching.